Hi everyone, my name is Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you how Snap&Read works with SeeSaw. So first I have opened my teacher's fourth grade class page here and I'm on my activities and I see that she has set up a Stingray activity for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on Snap&Read and all I'm going to do is I'm going to read her directions that she has written here.
Use Snap and Read to read this article. Be sure to create an outline to gather important information and sources for your animal habitat project. Wait.
And I can just go ahead and turn that off when I want that read to me. If I need that information translated to me, all I'm going to do is just highlight those, again, those directions. And now it is in Spanish for me. So Snap&Read is very user-friendly with SeeSaw, which is awesome. And I also want to show you guys how you could use CoWriter with that. So if I need to go in here and add a response, and I'm going to add a note. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my CoWriter and my note or my CoWriter prediction box pop up on the side. So I'm going to do is I'm going to start saying stingrays. Stingrays.
Stingray are of liked like a in
and we'll say ocean.
Ocean.
And I can go ahead and put my punctuation.
Stingrays live in the ocean.
And there's CoWriter. So SeeSaw, CoWriter, and Snap&Read all work very nicely together. So that is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and head back here. And if I needed to open this activity, what I could do is I'm just going to click on there. And again, I can turn on Snap&Read to have me read anything that is on here. And if I wanted to open my activity, she has posted a link down here, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that. And then I get redirected to a web page to do this assignment, and I can turn on Snap&Read as I would typically use that with the web page. I hope this video helps, and let us know if you need any additional assistance in the chat, or you can reach us at our support line. Thanks.